Hey all, welcome to AI Daily. Let's get you up to speed on what's happening in AI today. First up, a massive release from NVIDIA. They've dropped two open multilingual ASR models, Canary and Parakeet TDT, boasting 25 languages, auto-language detection, and trained on a staggering 1 million hours of data. What a development! This is a game changer for accessibility and opens up a world of possibilities for multilingual applications. Now, shifting gears, let's talk about Alibaba's Qwen-Image-Edit. This 20B parameter model adds precise bilingual text editing, semantic transforms, and appearance-level edits to images. It's integrated into any coder, making it readily accessible to developers. This is fascinating. The potential for creative applications is enormous. Meanwhile, across the industry, we're seeing some impressive model releases. Gemma 3270M, an ultra-small model designed for edge devices, is already gaining traction, boasting impressive performance on mobile devices. Pay attention to this one. It's a significant step towards making AI more accessible. Next, we have Meta's DINOV3, a scaled self-supervised vision backbone, showing stable large model training and strong dense features. It's showing incredible promise in domain transfer, like Earth observation. And finally, a major development in synthetic data. Datalogy's Beyond Web is outperforming other methods by a significant margin, offering up to 7.7x training speed compared to open web data. This could revolutionize how we train large language models. And that's a wrap on today's AI headlines. Until next time.